Hi viewers, good afternoon. Today I brought two more updates. One update is family accommodation for trainees is almost ready at Nellore. Those who are interested to attend along with family, you can come. So you are most welcome. The second one, early morning consultation 6 to 7. So we are providing on Thursday, Friday in Urban Square, which we call Kattipara Junction, very close to Gindi. So most probably I will be moving from Tamil Nadu to Karnataka. We are planning so for the next academic year. So I will be here approximately 6 to 8 months in Chennai in regular days. So if those who are in and around, if you are interested, if you are busy people, you can come early morning. You can attend for expertise training at Urban Square, and we can sit in open air, and we can discuss. That is 24 hours service. I mean food, coffee, something. It is available, and toilets facility is also available. Ambience will be good, and you can sit there because instead of online interactions, better I prefer to spend time directly one to another. And one more, people are asking a few, I mean old videos are there, please keep watching updated videos. We are changing our way of style in providing services, and recorded versions are not available. Mostly I am not interested to promote online training sessions. So please, if you are interested, try to come to either Chennai or Nellore and spend time, quality of time, and clarify all your doubts and see the things how you can make the products in your own hands. Everything I can guide you. It will be a peaceful and wonderful happy experience if you come instead of online. So if you come directly, it will be good for you to learn quickly, and it is also very good and easy to me to give you a proper direction and training to you. So please prefer offline trainings. Come to attend any kind of interactions, one to one session either in Nellore or Chennai. And mostly next academic year I may be in Mysore or Bangalore. I hope so. Karnataka. We are planning to move. So I will update after 6 months. Thank you.